guys, welcome to the channel. Sometimes we hear about this term hate speech, but I think this clip that I'm gonna play for you actually qualifies for hate speech. There was an issue with a pit bull that killed a child, and there was protest against these dogs that they've been bred for fighting and they're dangerous, they should be banned. And this lady in a WhatsApp group of dog lovers voiced these words, and you listen and see if this actually isn't really what we hear about hate speech. It really is out of this world. Take a listen.
Still, I agree with you wholeheartedly. What I say is ban the black man. They rape, they steal, they kill worse than any pit bull could, and they get away with it. Ban those that are making the laws. Ban Ekurhuleni. Ban the black man. Get all the black women and cut out their uteruses and their ovaries that they cannot procreate, because they will all turn out the same, because they are all the same. I'm very passionate about this. Ban them. Kill them. Shoot them. Get rid of them, because they are the problem, not pit bulls, not animals. Animals are beautiful, and they deserve a warm bed, food, love, and attention, and everything else. God created those animals. Who created the black man? Do you think God? I don't think so.
I'm interested in your comments. Please do leave us a comment on what you think about this. And an update is that she has been arrested.